The US dollar continues its downward movement, approaching a two-year low amid the anti-China rhetoric. The US dollar index, which measures the strength of the greenback against a basket of 6 major currencies, is steadily going down. Today, it's testing the support level at 92.60. Currency market experts are confident that the US currency will continue its downward movement. Investors are also confused by Donald Trump's actions after attacks on the China's holding by Dance, the owner of the popular social network TikTok. He ordered the company to divest from its US-based assets within 90 days. Now, Trump is hinting about expanding the sanctions against Huawei and Alibaba. At the same time, Trump's rating in the election race has improved dramatically, so market participants have to factor in the anti-China rhetoric in the future policy of the country. All these factors are weighing on the US dollar. Against such a fundamental background, the dollar-yen pair has almost reached the target level of 105.45 set in our yesterday's review. If the pair breaks this level, it's highly likely to fall to the level of 104.60. However, in this case, the pair will be oversold, which may cause upward correction. The Australian dollar continues to surprise technical analysis experts with the formation of an extremely rare pattern, a five-fold divergence. It has almost hit the level of 0.7240 and it may fail rise to 0.7296. However, technical and fundamental analysis indicate that the upward movement of the Australian dollar is likely to be short-lived. The Aussie is extending gains largely amid the US dollar's weakness. This is why analysts expect the Aussie to drop to the level of 0.7174 and then to 0.7110. Today's publication of the last meeting minutes of the Reserve Bank of Australia convinced investors in an optimistic mood of the regulator. The central bank has decided not to cut the key rate further. However, the content of the minutes is a little bit outdated because the meeting was held 2 weeks ago. During this time, a string of disappointing economic reports has been published, especially the weak labor market report. For this reason, the Aussie did not gain momentum after the release of the meeting minutes, but just managed to sustain its current trajectory. That's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.